Hello everyone, my name is Gareth Byatt. I'm an independent risk and resilience consultant, and I'm delighted to be taking part in the Asia Risk and Resilience Conference. And in my session, I will be giving you a series of situations, let's say, in an interactive type of way for those of you who are able to join and participate in some interactive exercises, to go through and work out how we can achieve truly effective cooperative resilience. Now, there's a number of aspects and elements to it, and I don't want to give too much away in this short video clip, but suffice to say, I do intend to make it an interactive session, and I hope that you'll get a lot out of it. So I look forward to seeing you all and joining you virtually in mid-August. Thanks.